TV. Hi everybody, we have a fun game today and Silas brought his friend Tristan to do this fun game. Yes, again. Again. It's a memory game this time. This is going to be fun. So, let me show you guys what we got here.
You yick it.
That's a jawbreaker. Okay, I've set up some little fun toys just on a cookie sheet. They need to memorize these, and then I'm going to take one away, and they have to let me know what I took. So, got a doorbell, a Pokemon card, energy power, a whistle, a stick bot, pumpkin, Minnie Mouse's Lego cake, an orange car, Minion cards, a makeup brush, alien, Batman, you've seen that before from our other videos, little fluffy pom-pom,
And
yep, I showed that, a green bead, a sailor, and then harmonica,
and eyeball.
a jawbreaker eyeball, and a hope bracelet.
By actually the.
Yeah. Okay. So, you guys ready? I want you to stare at this for a little bit.
Oh, remember this game is easy. Yeah, we are the way.
Other side, silly. Okay, you guys sit right here. Back down. Okay. Now put them on. You ready? I'm gonna walk away for 1 second. You sit here. You can talk to the camera while I pick which one I'm stealing.
Guys. Baby, he's a baby. No, not. I'm 7. You're 5. I'm older. I'm 3.
Okay, you guys ready? Okay, I took one. Come sit down. Let me show you. Sit down. Sit. Okay. What did I take, guys? Okay, back up so I can show them what I took. Okay. I took something off of here, guys. If you know what it is, answer number 1 at the bottom. What's the first thing that I've taken away?
Is it in the middle?
It's anywhere. It could be all mixed up. What did I take away?
Oh no.
You don't know? Come on, Tristan. This is easy. What did I take?
Well, not multiple. I get out.
Just one. I took one toy.
Oh. Then it must be a big one.
Yeah, it was a big one. Do you want a clue? It's kind of girly.
Oh, the makeup brush.
Makeup brush, see?
Makeup.
Yeah! Good job, guys. Okay, let me get the makeup brush back. I'll let you guys look at this one more time. Next time I come back, the makeup brush is going to be back on here and something else will be gone. So, look at everything. You see everything? Take another look because I'm going to take something else. Don't forget what they are. Okay, you ready? Okay, I'm going to take something else.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, just be fair.
Okay. Makeup brush is back. Let me show them. Come on this side, please. Okay. Makeup brush is back, guys. They got that one.
Can you give me a hint?
Yeah, sure.
I don't need a hint.
Okay. What is it?
I can. It
What
must
is it,
be
Sailor?
a little
What
one.
is it, Sailor? Okay, she can look. She gets to get both. Yeah, take one. You can take one. Do you want to see the doorbell? Oh, makeup brush. Okay. So I'll give you a hint. Okay. It's really loud. Really loud.
The whistle.
The whistle.
Me too.
Wow. Yeah, you see.
This is loud.
That is loud, but you can still see it. So, okay. Okay. I am gonna go take something else. Look at this, guys. Don't forget. I'm gonna bring back the whistle. I wonder what I'll take next. Okay, Sailor has the makeup brush, so we'll forget about that. But check these out. You guys ready? Okay, here I go. This one's gonna be a hard one.
It's Batman.
You guys just sit down so I can see your face.
No, get down there. You
Okay,
shit.
ready? Can't get it. I'll give you a hint. You can't stand in front of the phone.
What was it? What hint is it?
Well, I'm not going to give you a hint yet. Think about what I took away. What do you think it is?
The marble.
Yeah, the little green rock. Wow, okay, so look again.
I told told you I'm master.
You are a master. Okay, I'm taking something else.
Watch this funny dances. You can. This is the dance.
The monster's back. What did I take this time, guys?
The whistle.
The whistle's right there.
Wait, what is it? Give me a hint.
It goes on your wrist.
The wristband.
The bracelet that says go. All right. Let's do another one.
I got 19 coins. You got one. No, you don't. I got more than you, Steve. I got 8. Yeah, but I'm a food guy.
Okay, let's see what we got now.
I'm going in the camera. Except me. Can you give me a hint?
In a second, why don't you take a look first? What did I take this time?
Pumpkin.
The pumpkin's there, Dad.
No, the harmonica. No.
It's one of your favorite guys. I took him away.
Stick box.
Oh, good job. Now he's helping, huh? Tristan's been getting them all. Okay, I'll Come take a look. What did I take?
Can you tell me?
No, I want you to guess. What did I take? Let me know if you need a hint.
I need a hint. I don't.
Okay, what is it, Tristan? We'll let Tristan guess first. If you can't get it, I'll tell you.
The only thing we need is like what letter it starts with.
Well, that's kind of the same as me just saying it's girly.
Wait.
It's a girl thing. It's sailors.
What is
It was a Lego.
Cake!
The cake! Good job. See, you're such a great team.
Let us stop! I got both.
Still a team. Okay.
Not secret. You little chick. Do it. No one in the camera. Stop.
Okay. Oh, watch out. Here we go.
Give me a hint.
I bet you guys can figure this one out on your own. If you guys can't figure this one out, I lose all hope. Okay. Okay, hold on.
Wait.
Okay. What did I take, guys?
What? Give me
It's both of your favorite. It's both of your favorite. You got this. Look. Look on it. What's missing?
Done.
Oh, energy.
Pokemon not my favorite.
You have 435 cards. It's not your favorite thing?
Yeah, not Beyblade doll.
Okay. Well, we're missing the Pokemon card, guys. So I'll do it one more time, and then we'll wrap this up.
No, please get the one please get the bomb. It won't be a
See if you guys can tell what's changing this time.
No cheating, Silas. No cheating. Inside. You better pick it.
Okay, you ready?
You cheat.
Let's see if you guys can get this one. It's been on there the whole time, and now it's gone.
What?
It stayed in like the same spot the whole time, pretty much. It was pretty big.
What was that? Give me a hint. Give me a hint. What letter does it start with?
An M. What's missing, guys?
Tell me. Give me a
We
hint.
want everyone to be able to guess too. What's missing? Does anybody know what's missing?
Give me a hint. Give me a hint.
What is it, Tristan? Starts with an M. They have one eyeball, some have two. They're yellow guys. No?
Oh yeah, Minion.
The Minion cards! Okay, everybody, that was the last one. Both of them did so good working as a team. We want to tell you, like and subscribe to Blue Boy TV. Thanks so much for watching. Say bye, Tristan.